Okay, good evening, Professor David J. Velasquez. My topic for this session will be a simple problem on physics. Okay, let's proceed. We got a seesaw here. The total leg is 10 feet. We got the weight here of 180 pounds, and the weight here is 250 pounds. The problem is asking what will be the value of x here. Okay, for the seesaw to be horizontal. What will be this length here in order for the seesaw to be horizontal, meaning it is balanced. Okay? Okay, let's proceed with the solution. This is a simple problem under physics. So if we try to draw the free body diagram, this will be the seesaw. This is 10 feet. So if this is x, this should be 10 minus x. This is 180 pounds. This is 250 pounds. For the seesaw to be balanced, it should be horizontal. Okay? So we will use an equation. Moment is equal to force times distance. Under physics, moment is actually force times distance. Okay? With the sigma notation here, it refers to the so-called summation of moment. So I got an equation over here. Sigma notation, capital letter M with the subscript F, meaning we will take the summation of moment at the location point F over here. We will take the moment here. What will be the effect of this 180 and 250 pounds with respect to this? Okay, I place the designation clockwise positive. Going clockwise will be positive. If we take the moment here, the effect of this with respect to this will be clockwise. Right? So it will be 250. The moment arm is 10 minus x. This is 10 minus x. This is multiplied by 10 minus x. Okay, let's go back to the location F. The effect of this with respect to the moment center, it should be counterclockwise. Okay, so this should now be negative. Clockwise is positive, counterclockwise will be negative. So this is minus, the weight is 180, and its distance from location F is actually multiplied by x. Okay, for it to be horizontal, the right hand side should be 0. So after taking the summation of moment, we formulated already an equation involving the unknown x. So if we try to simplify this one, it's a part of algebra. 250 times 10 will be 2,500. 250 times x will be minus 250x. 180 times x will be minus 180x, and they should be equal to 0. It's a linear equation involving x. So simplifying, 2,500, this is minus, this minus, we put it on the right, 250x plus 180x. Similar terms, right? 250 plus 180 is 430, x should be equal to 2,500. Dividing both sides of the equation by 430, okay, 2,500 divided by 430, one zero cancels. So actually, our x is actually the value 250 over 43. And what comes out will be 5.81 feet. So for the seesaw to be balanced, this should be 5.81 feet. Okay? The remaining balance will be 10 minus 5.81. So this is 9, this 0, right? 4.89, 4.09. 10 carry 1, oh, this should be 9. O 5.81, this should be na. 5.81. Then, right? O 9. O this should be 1. So this should be 4.19. 4.19. The lighter weight is 180 pounds and its distance from the center should be longer than the location of this 250 pounds, which is heavier than this 180. So the moment arm of this 250 with respect to this the fulcrum is actually less than 5.81. It should be 4.19. Oh, that's it, guys. For the seesaw to balance, X should be 5.81 feet. Oh, that's a simple problem under physics. Good evening from Los Angeles.